This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Lola DeRosero. Welcome to this lovely, recently updated 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home located in the highly sought-after Berewick community. This home features a new roof, 2021, newer carpet, 2020, and a spacious open floor plan on the main level. Beautifully updated kitchen for entertaining with a large center island for gatherings. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and ample cabinetry for storage. The first floor also includes a home office. Head upstairs to find the oversized owner's suite plus a spacious ensuite with a double vanity, garden tub, separate shower and a large walk-in closet. Upstairs, you will also find 3 more freshly painted large bedrooms and the laundry room. The backyard is leveled and fenced. Perfect for your pets. Berewick is located in the Steele Creek area with many amenities including pool, clubhouse, playground, sand volleyball courts, beautiful trails and much more. Excellent location. Minutes from shopping, restaurants, I-485 and I-77. For more information,